now? Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, na-na-na-na-na-na. No, not yet, Miss Minion. It's not time yet. Mathematicians? All right, today we're going to talk about addition as the joining of two groups. We're going to talk about having a little bit of something and then getting a little bit more and finding out how much we have in the end. Let's look at what this looks like. Okay, look at my desk. How many pens are on my desk? That's right, there are 1, 2, 3 pens on my desk. Now look at what happens. How many more pens did I put? Yup, 2 more pens came to my desk. How many pens in all? That's right, there are 5 pens on my desk. There were 3, 2 more came, and now I have 5. Let's write a number sentence to show this. There were 3 pens on my desk, plus 2 more joined, and then I had 5 in all. 3 plus 2, 3 and 2, when you put them together, is the same as 5. I'm going to tell you a story. We're going to represent the story with cubes. That means we're going to use our cubes to show the number in the story. Let me do the first one to show you what I mean. There are 2 boats on the river. Here are my boats. Chugga, 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 choo-choo. Zoom, zoom. I have 2 boats on the water. Then 2 more boats come. There they are. How many boats are there at first? There were 2 boats at first. I showed that with cubes. How many more boats joined? 2 more boats joined. I showed that with cubes too. Now can we show the number of boats in all using a number sentence? Yes, we can. I had 2 boats on the water. Then I added 2 more boats. 2 more boats joined. Remember? There they are. And now I want to show how many boats that's equal to. 2 boats and another 2 boats is the same thing as having 1, 2, 3, 4 boats. 2 plus another 2 makes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to try one with me? I'll tell you the story, and I want you to do it with your cubes at the same time as me. I had 5 cars. I know, fancy schmancy. I have 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all just hanging out right there in my driveway. And then 2 more cars are going to come. They're going to drive on up. How many cars do I have now? I had 5. And 2 more joined. And now I have how many? That's right, I have 7 cars now. Remember, the cubes we're using to show how many cars. Let's write a number sentence for this. I have 5 cars to start. Then 2 more came. 2 more joined. Now I have 7 in all. This time, I'm going to tell you the story. I want you to represent it with cubes on your own. Then we'll check our work. There are 4 students sitting at the table. Then, 1 more student comes and sits at the table. Now, how many students do I have? I'll say it again. There were 4 students sitting at the table. 1 more joins. Now, how many students are there? Let's do it. There were 4 students sitting at the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. There they are. Notice how we're using cubes to be the students. Then 1 more student comes. Hey guys, can I come sit here too? Now how many students are at the table? That's right, there are 5 now. See if you can write a number sentence for this. Pause the video and write it. Once you have it ready, press play to check your work. Did you do it? Let's check your work. There were 4 students sitting at the table. Then we added 1 more. 1 more joined. Hey guys, can I join? That means that we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 1 make 5 in all. It's time to do your math homework. La tarea de matemáticas de hoy es, watch the next video. I will show you some picture stories. You should pause the video, write a number sentence on your whiteboard to match the picture story, and then press play again to check your work. If you want, you can practice extra with your cubes and marbles too. Mira el siguiente video. Te mostraré algunas historias ilustradas. Debe pausar el video, escribir una oración numérica en su pizarra para que coincida con la historia de la imagen y luego presionar reproducir nuevamente para verificar su trabajo. Si quieres, puedes practicar más con tus cubos y canicas también. Mr. De Silva has 3 red bouncy balls. Then Miss Berman buys 2 more. We had 3 and 2 more joined. Now how many do we have? Write a number sentence for it. Let's check our work. It should say 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 and 2 more makes 5 in all. Let's do the next one. Miss Minion has 6 tables in her classroom. I wish I had 6 tables in my classroom. Then 2 more tables come from Mr. Frageau's room. Now how many tables does Miss Minion have? That's right, Miss Minion has 8 tables now. Write a number sentence for this on your whiteboard. Press pause while you write it. You can use your cubes to help you represent this. Press play when you're ready to check your work. 6 tables plus 2 more joined, equals 8 tables in total. Check your work. Did you get it? Let's do 2 more. Miss Minion has some apples. How many apples are there? Count them. Did you count them? That's right, there's 7 apples. Then you buy 3 more at the store. Now how many apples do you have? That's right, you have 10 apples now. Let's write a number sentence for that. Write it on your whiteboard and press pause. Press play when you're ready to check your work. We had 7 apples in the beginning, and then 3 more came, and now we have 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Last one. We have 9 stuffies in our class. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then Miss Minion goes to the toy store and she gets 2 more stuffies. Now how many stuffies do we have in our class? Write a number sentence on your whiteboard. Press pause while you do this. Press play when you're ready to check your work. Did you write a number sentence? Let's look at mine. There were 9 stuffies in the beginning. Then we got 2 more stuffies plus 2 equals how many stuffies in total? How many in all? It makes 11 stuffies. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The end.